Hello, I'm in a 2018 Ford Edge, and today I'm going to show you where your USB ports and charger ports are. So from the center here, if you push this, you'll see a couple USB ports you can plug into. If you raise the middle, you'll see charger ports here that you can tie into. And then in the rear, there's a couple charger ports for the rear passengers as well. And then, so especially if you got like an aftermarket radio, for some reason, sometimes they'll run extra cords off to the side or into the glove box that you can plug into. And then you've got another charger port right here. And for some reason, any of these aren't working properly, the first thing I would check are fuses. Sometimes a burnt fuse can make some of these things inoperable, like a charger port or USB ports. If that didn't fix it, you might need to get behind the plastic for wherever it's not working right and make sure all the connections are still tight and firm. Nothing needs replaced or retightened. But otherwise, I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.